Hi, this is Preetha and welcome back to Dakshin Curry. To check out more of my videos, do click on the bell icon to get notifications. Today I am going to share with you a recipe of a chai which has been there for time immemorial, but then it rose to fame because of this film called Ustad Hotel, and that is the Sulaimani black tea or the Malabar black tea. And let's see how to make this. The first step is going to be adding water. Depending on the number of cups that you are making, you have to take water. So I am adding around 1.5 cups. Now along with this I am going to add a couple of cloves, a little bit of cardamom, just pinch it and add, and along with this I am going to add some ginger. I am going to allow this to come to one vigorous boil. Now that this is boiling away, I am going to reduce the flame a bit. And I am going to add this tea. Now this is Ceylon tea that I am using, but you can use the tea that you have at home. Now along with this I am going to add jaggery. And now we will allow this to simmer for say 30 seconds on a low flame. So the jaggery has dissolved and I am going to switch off the flame and I am going to squeeze some lime. So this lovely black tea is ready to serve. Now what I want you to do is definitely try out this recipe and you have to tell me what is your favorite tea. And if you have liked watching this video, do click on the like, share and subscribe button.